If you're really serious about erasing every trace of your uniqueness, then here's how to disappear completely. Step 1. Blend into the crowd. Not just your clothes, your thoughts too. Never question anything. Swallow every popular opinion like candy, even if it tastes like poison. Original thinking? That's dangerous. Someone might disagree. Better to just nod. Scroll. Nod again. Repeat after the crowd until your voice isn't yours anymore. And the best part? If your beliefs aren't actually yours, you never have to defend them. You just, passively exist. You already do this, don't you? Scroll to the comments before watching the video, just to find out what to think. Because God forbid you sit with your own thoughts for once. It's safer to let the algorithm do the thinking. Safer to quote tweets from strangers and pretend that counts as a personality. Curiosity? That's for kids. You're a grown-up now. Obedience is easier. Step 2. Treat social approval like oxygen. Crave it. Breathe it. Depend on it. Dress how you're expected to. Laugh at jokes that don't land. Deny every weird part of yourself just to fit the mold. That childhood obsession with Pokemon? Burn it. Your love for anime, dolls, journaling, chess, K-pop, whatever, bury it. Deep. Become a mirror. Reflect back whatever version of yourself people like best. Switch masks so often you forget which one was ever real. I did that once. Used to hide my passion for bird watching because it wasn't professional. Didn't want my coworkers to think I was some soft, nature-loving freak. So I played along. Fit in. Smiled at happy hour. I looked normal. But I was miserable. Because in trying to be everyone, I became no one. Step 3. Avoid all risks. Keep everything safe, small, and under control. Don't start that project. Don't chase that idea. Don't say the thing, post the video, write the book, launch the brand. You might fail. You might look stupid. And that would be the end of the world, right? Let perfectionism wrap around your dreams like a noose. Tell yourself you're just waiting for the right time. Convince yourself that hesitation is wisdom, not fear. Then let that fear rot your creativity from the inside out. Hey, at least your life will be clean. Flawless. Sterile. And your tombstone? It'll read. Here lies someone who never made a fool of themselves. A true legend in the art of playing it safe. Step 4. Refuse to take responsibility. Blame your parents for your trauma. Blame the economy for your bank account. Blame your star sign for why you're emotionally unavailable. Blame your ex, your job, your phone, your zodiac moon. Just, don't look in the mirror. Because if it's always someone else's fault, then you never have to change. You can stay broken, beautifully, comfortably, forever. Want to stay forgettable? Then here's your challenge. For the next 24 hours, catch yourself every time you complain. Then, take one small action to fix it. No excuses. No tomorrow. Just on.